everyone. We are Magnetism. Today, we have a special project creating a playful rainbow playground, DIY train, swing car, and slime pool satisfying ASMR. We will need to use magnetic balls in 6 main colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, with 20,000 balls of each color, along with several hundred white and black magnetic balls for decoration. Prepare 5mm thick Formex sheets to create a foundation to ensure the house doesn't collapse. Also, have your paper cutting tools, scissors, glue, and colored paper ready for decoration. Pay close attention as I demonstrate how to create the blocks and use different colors, then follow along. To keep things interesting during the building process, we will share with you a story about two adventurous mice who used magnetic balls to build their house. Once upon a time, in a picturesque little town nestled deep in a lush valley, there lived a close-knit group of imaginative friends. They were renowned throughout the town not only for their unbreakable bond, but also for their incredible creativity. These friends had a magical talent for turning everyday materials into extraordinary play spaces that would enchant anyone who came across them. One bright and sunny morning, as the birds chirped joyfully and a gentle breeze rustled the leaves of their towering oak tree, the friends gathered in their spacious backyard. Inspiration struck them like a bolt of lightning as they gazed up at the sky, where a breathtaking rainbow had appeared after a recent rain shower. It was an awe-inspiring sight that sparked a grand idea in their minds. Their dream was to craft a playful rainbow playground that would rival any in the world. They envisioned a space that would be a source of endless joy and laughter, a place where children and adults alike could rediscover the magic of their youth. Their adventure began with the construction of a whimsical train built from sturdy wooden planks painted in the brilliant hues of the rainbow. Each friend added their unique artistic touch, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that made the train appear as if it had materialized from the pages of a fairy tale. Next, they turned their attention to a swing car that would glide gracefully along a meandering path. With deft hands and an unshakable spirit of camaraderie, they transformed recycled materials into a sleek and stylish car. They adorned it with comfortable seats and sturdy handles to ensure a smooth, joyful ride for those who dared to embark on this exhilarating adventure. However, the pièce de résistance of their creation was the remarkable slime pool. They experimented with various combinations of vibrant colors, resulting in a gooey, mesmerizing slime that glistened like precious jewels in the radiant sunlight. This magnificent pool was not just a mere attraction, it was designed to provide sensory exploration and relaxation, a sanctuary where visitors could unwind and lose themselves in the tactile wonder of the slime. As the days turned into weeks, the friends poured their hearts and souls into their project, adding intricate details and flourishes to make it truly exceptional. With each brushstroke and every nail hammered, their excitement grew. They could hardly contain their anticipation of the day when they would open their rainbow playground to the world. Finally, the grand opening arrived, and it was nothing short of magical. The air was filled with the sweet sounds of children's laughter and the delighted squeals of pure joy as they explored the rainbow train, soared on the swing car, and dipped their fingers into the mesmerizing slime pool. The friends watched with immense satisfaction as their hard work brought immense happiness to the town and beyond. And so, in that picturesque town nestled deep within the valley, the playful rainbow playground became an enduring symbol of creativity, friendship, and boundless imagination. It was a place where dreams transformed into reality, where the vibrant colors of the rainbow touched the hearts and ignited the spirits of all who came to visit. It was a testament to the incredible power of friendship and the limitless possibilities of the human imagination. The friends knew that, for generations to come, their rainbow to inspire wonder and spread joy, reminding everyone that the magic of childhood could be found in even the simplest of places. This is the standout feature of the playground. The entire train is crafted from sturdy wood and painted in the colors of the rainbow, from red, orange, yellow, green, blue to purple. Every detail on the train is meticulously designed, from the stained glass windows to the uniquely designed wheels. There are seats for both children and adults, and, of course, rainbow-themed paintings adorn the train. The swing car in the playground is designed to move along a unique winding path. It has a shiny frame and multiple seats for multiple participants at once. Inside the swing car, there are comfortable cushions so that players can immerse themselves in the fun journey. The slime pool is the centerpiece of the playground. It is created from colorful slime, featuring rainbow colors such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Players can dip their hands into the slime pool to experience its stretchy and delightful texture. The slime is created to provide a sense of relaxation and satisfaction for the players. The slime pool is surrounded by a non-slip material to ensure safety during play. The Rainbow Playground model is built with passion and creativity, serving as a symbol of friendship and the boundless imagination of humans. It's a